Where's she gone? Incoming. Just wait, she'll be with you in a second.
That's it, that's it, yes, that's it.
See, that's Luna's way of saying chase me. See, that's what I wanted. What's that now? Why aren't you chasing me? You'll work it out. Luna, you'll work it out. Lizzie can't see you. Hey, yes. That's why she's grabbing the things. It's like, if I grab that, maybe Lizzie will chase me. Nope, that didn't work. I know. How about if I grab your lead? Will that work?
Leave it.
It's alright. She's not going to take it far. Hello? 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 You're going to just sit on my foot? Okay. Lizzie? Lizzie? Luna's got my foot. Do you want to deal with this? No? You can't. You don't care, do you? Hi.
Good girl, Luna.
Go get it.
Good girl.
Luna, go get it. Go get it. Luna, go get it.